Good morning, y'all. I got this craftsman right here. I just put a new starter on it, a new carburetor. I don't see if y'all can see it. Let's see. There's your new carburetor, the new starter. It's a 19.5 horsepower turbo craftsman. I don't know, should I put another deck on it or what to do with it yet, but I want to get it to running. I got to clean the gas tank out in it. Tell me what y'all think. What should I do with this old lawnmower? Should I fix it up, put a deck underneath it, or sell it just like it is for somebody that wants it to use the haul trailer or something with it? Just give me some ideas. I would love some good ideas. It's a 19.5 horsepower turbo cool twin 42-inch Bridge and Stratton. It's got new tires on it. You can tell. It's got a good seat on it. Ain't nothing wrong with the seat. Just let me know what you think I should do with it. Drop a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate it. And thank you. Bye-bye.